All right, good morning, guys. So today, you guys are literally gonna just help me tidy up my house a little bit. So, as you guys know, the last week, or last couple of weeks, my tooth issue stuff. I now have a nice month gap where I can, do whatever. So I am going to just tidy up my house a little bit. It kind of got a little bit out of hand. I have a mess everywhere. We did get my daughter like the really cute Aldi little setup. I need to take what was there upstairs. So yeah, we just need to tidy up. I need to put away laundry. If you didn't know, I normally don't actually wash laundry. My husband actually washes it and I put it away. So I'm gonna do that. But I'll be right back after I get something out of my face. But before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. I do a lot of packing my daughter's diaper bag, which hopefully soon be a potty trained toddler. Woo! Hasn't been really all that great. And also I do a lot of day in the life of a stay-at-home mom, and I also do shot with me's, and very soon we'll be doing some travel videos. So if you like that kind of content, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's get this face beat. I really didn't want to use beat, but okay. All right, I think I'm as ready as I'm gonna get. I probably just gonna put my hair up going away, honestly. The mirror is on this side, that's why I keep looking that way. So again, I'm going to just kind of clean things up a bit, and then I need to start dinner earlier today, and then I need to fold so much clothes, mainly my daughter's clothes. So wish me luck, guys, because I need to. It's too early to take out summer clothes. It's not fully spring yet. It's still like today's 14 degrees. It's almost March, so we'll see. I just really have a lot to do. And you know, when you have a lot to do, you're like, where do I start? All right, so we are going to go ahead and start out with my beauty room. As you can see, I have a hot mess express going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and put away like my lashes. I had my nail stuff out. My corner was a hot mess. If you're wondering what I am watching, normally when I am filming videos, I am watching Charmed. I've watched Charmed, honestly, every year, multiple times. It's like my favorite background noise, and I still kind of like get captivated by it. The original one, not the new one, it's one of my favorites. I actually think I'm gonna leave her little table here until we get the vanity set. That always goes in the living room. She likes having her pillow and stuff there, but since we have a guest over a couple of days ago, we just brought it in here and left it there. It's a lot more clean. My flowers are so pretty. Anyways, I always have a little section for her stuff here as well. And then you guys know that section. I think I could fit like 3-4 more bags in here. No one tell my husband. No, he knows. He absolutely knows. I obviously was so lazy yesterday to put this back. And then that's from this morning. I gotta take out the trash. Well, leave it outside for my husband to take out. Change that sign finally. Gotta put that away. Fix all this. My mom just brought that. That's probably why that's all there. But yeah, I gotta fix this up a bit because it's a hot mess. All right, I started out with the dishes and then I moved you guys very savagely. So I'm just putting all the dishes away, and you guys, I left like such an awkward mountain. Everything kept wanting to fall. I was like, no. I seriously hate putting away the dishes. It's just so annoying. As you could tell here, I kept looking over because my munchkin kept talking to me, and eventually she actually did come over. So I did stop filming for a portion of it. You guys couldn't really see there, but I actually got a new snack container, trio container. I'll put it on the screen for my munchkin, and it is super cute. For the summer, I already have one, but it is Harry Potter. So I had to like stop filming really fast because I have to hurry up. It's going to be 2 o'clock and it's start dinner because my mom's leaving at 3:30. I'm gonna make some chicken, broccoli, and carrots. You guys already seen me make this recipe in the past
vlog. So I may not even show you guys today, but I'm making that for my husband and my baby girl. I did already kind of decide what I'm gonna do. So I put rice, chicken, and veggies. I think I'm gonna do pasta instead of veggies though. And tomorrow I'm gonna make meatloaf with potatoes and veggies. That's the plan. Hopefully I can stick to it, kind of, sort of. We'll see. I also did our little thing here for Easter. So I actually got these at Dollar Tree. These are the cutest ones I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna, this I got last year as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the stove and on the fridge. I think they are so cute. So cute. You cannot tell me that it's not the cutest thing ever. It is so cute. All right, so I'm actually making these. I actually really love them, but I'm making two, and that's already one of the packs, basically sodium. So I only use one full pack with the flavors and stuff like that. I should probably lower that down a little bit. But I did create carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli, mainly cauliflower and broccoli, and it's inside here cooking with it as well, so that it gives the other flavor. I season it with salt and pepper and garlic to incorporate it in the sauce to replace like the other pack of this. The chicken is also in the oven. It does need quite a lot of time still. And then I do have broccoli, carrots, and stuff in here, which I'm actually turning it off for now. I have to remember to turn that on when that's at 30 minutes left, just so that it won't overcook. My mom had cooking chicken earlier, so that is what's going to be for dinner today. I gotta take out the meat though for the meatballs for tomorrow.
All right, so I decided to go ahead and start tackling down my daughter's hamper. I probably won't finish and putting this away today. I just wanted to start folding everything, and I got everything folded. I really need to go through her clothes and take out the smaller sizes that no longer fit her. Tear. Does any of you guys also get emotional when you are switching out their clothes? Because, oh my gosh, how are you in size 3T, 4T, and the next size up is basically extra small for kids? How did that happen? All right, and here I am serving dinners, you guys, as I pretty much told you guys what I'm gonna make. But there is my daughters, my husband's, and my little girls. She actually ate a lot of broccoli and cauliflower and the pasta today. No chicken, but that's okay. Most of the time she eats the chicken and nothing else. So you take the wins. And here I am packing the leftovers for my mom to actually take with her so she can eat throughout the week while she works. And then here I am after we ate dinner. I actually waited a while, and then I'm basically gonna clean up the kitchen. And then I'm also obviously gonna wash the dishes and make sure everything is nice and clean. So you guys know I wash a lot of dishes throughout the day. But they gotta keep one part of the house kind of under control. And I choose it to be my kitchen. Right, and then it was time to go ahead and broom to make sure everything is nice and clean. And then I am wet swiffering the floor right after that. I absolutely love the scent of this thing. It makes the kitchen smell so good. My husband was like, "Did you spray perfume?" I'm like, "No," but it does smell really good. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do want to do a little disclaimer here because I only film 2 to 3 days out of the week if I possibly can, and I always have to have someone watching my toddler. Now I know you guys are like, that's not really a day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. It is, because it's my personal day in a life when I have someone actually here to watch my toddler, and that is mainly because I don't like showing my daughter. And if you guys can't, like, this isn't a daily thing, it's not realistic, I guess you could say, because I do
the motivational videos when I clean, but I don't do that every day. Like there's no way that I cook dinner every day and breakfast every day and lunch every day. There's no way. Honestly, probably the only thing that is true is I wash all my dishes every single day, no matter what, because I can't go to sleep with dirty dishes. Other than that, it's literally like I do it for motivational videos and, you know, to give you guys a little bit of something to watch while you guys are cleaning. I hope that helps. But yeah, I just wanted to really say that because I feel like some people are like, oh, I wish I could do that. I feel like I don't do anything. I feel like I don't do anything 5 to 6 days out of the week sometimes. And that is okay. They're little, we're still with them all the time. They still cling on to us. They're playing. This is their childhood. So I just wanted to say that because I don't want it to look like I do this all the time, all day, 7 days out of the week. And it's not like that at all. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. I'm actually about to go take her a bath, which is why I'm canceling, which is why I'm finishing this video now. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.